It is my pleasure to introduce you to Ashlee. She's a human services and restorative justice major with minors in psychology and criminal justice. Ashlee didn't come to Penn College right after high school. Her path took some twists and turns, but she ended up exactly where she was meant to be. Ashlee, the spotlight is on you. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. Growing up in New York City with a single mom, college was actually not my first choice. When I stepped here on campus, I was here with my boyfriend, who was the one that was going to attend. But after I realized the school's values, the hands-on experience, and I met the staff here, I immediately fell in love and I had to apply. And now I've actually been here for the last 3 years. The hands-on experience here at Penn College is like no other. What I learn in the classrooms, I get to apply to real-world situations through labs, internships, and leadership positions. Growing up, I was extremely introverted, but thanks to the inclusivity here, I have become tremendously involved on campus. I have held many leadership positions, including Vice President of Public Relations for the Student Government Association, a Presidential Student Ambassador, and I'm also a mentor to those in my major. I also belong to many clubs and organizations here on campus, including THON, the One World Club, and the Human Services and Restorative Justice Club. Penn College hosts many activities throughout the whole year. You can attend events and lectures, art shows, outdoor festivities, and celebrations from various cultures. We have over 60 clubs and organizations here on campus, and if none of those catch your eye, you and 10 friends can start your own. Our hands-on culture here at Penn College allows us to get immersed in our field. So whether that's accounting and business, brewing, or graphic designs, we get to do what we love. When I first started college many years ago, I was disappointed by the traditional way of learning and could have never imagined learning hands-on, not just in a classroom. Here, we're given access to the latest technology and are given the skills needed to achieve our goals and stand out. Now, throwing it back to you, Alex.
Things have a way of working out. We're glad you found your way to Penn College, Ashlee, and thanks for telling us about your journey and where you are today. Embracing change really paid off for you. Well done, Ashlee.